If you are running a targeted advertising campaign for your dental sleep medicine practice, one of the most important things you want to do in your marketing is protect in-office chair time. That is valuable time that needs protected at all costs. And one of the best ways to do that through your marketing campaign, obviously, someone sees your advertisement, they click, they request a consultation. You don't want to schedule them for an in-office visit immediately. They don't know, like, or trust you. They don't have any incentive or motivation to actually show up for that free consultation. So the best way to protect that chair time and prevent no-shows is to actually have a 5 to 7 minute phone consultation or virtual consultation prior to an in-office visit. That way your staff can further qualify. We recommend having them jump through a few more hoops to show that they're actually serious. And those hoops are, we want a copy of your driver's license, we want a copy of your insurance card, and if you have your sleep study, we need that faxed to our office. If they jump through those 3 hoops, they're a highly qualified lead. And if they've taken all 3 of those steps, they're going to be far more likely to actually show up for an in-office consultation, and your chair time is protected, and that is a valuable, highly qualified lead at that point.